Cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are unboxing products from Shein. I think that the concept today is quite obvious. I have received an order from Shein. Ta-da! And I'm gonna unbox everything with you guys. Actually, I don't know if the correct pronunciation is Shein or Shein. I don't know. Anyway, you understood for what shop I'm talking about, and let's start! The truth is that it's been a while since I've ordered, so I don't really remember what I have taken. Also, my boyfriend ordered with me as well, so we might find his product inside there. I'm not sure, we will find out together. Okay, let's touch the first product. This thing right here. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I remember. It's the thing for the studio. I think that it's a kind of fabric. Yep, it's a kind of fabric in order to decorate our new studio. Oops, I made a spoil here. Anyway, stay tuned to understand what I'm talking about. We move on, and here we have the gloves. Guys, I was waiting for these gloves so much. Like, they're amazing. At least outside they were amazing. I'm trying to open it, that's why I'm talking. And I'm really excited to see them. Look at them. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Look. They are wonderful. They are amazing. So I'm planning to do some Halloween stuff with these. I'm not gonna tell you anything yet, it's gonna be a surprise. So if you wanna know what I'm talking about, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, but mainly don't forget to follow me on Instagram. There I might have some spoils as well. Next thing that I have is some post-it notes with unicorns. They are pink and they have unicorns. Like, look at them. This is so me, people. This is my mood. Oh, cannot wait to write things on them. The next thing that I took out of the box is this decoration for studio again. The new studio. It's kinda the same with the other one, so I'm not gonna waste my time here because other products are coming. Okay, next thing that I have is this amazing headpiece with bats for Halloween. And, like, I'm so excited about it. I was waiting so much because look at the bats, and I really want to try it on right now and continue my video like that. Am I pretty? It's so good. Look at the bats. Oh, I love it. People, I don't know if you like it, but I plan to continue my video like that because it's cute. It's so cute. Next thing here is this box. I know that it's not in the best condition, but hopefully the things inside are. So, everyone's alive, don't worry. Here we have some boots. Like, I bought some boots, I think. Yeah. Look at them. Of course, they're fake leather. I'm not buying original leather. Come on, people. Who is that? It's not cool. But look at the boots, and actually they're good quality. Like, if you see here, they're not bad. It's European size 39. I haven't tried them, but I feel that they might be kind of okay for me. My size, European size again, is 39 to 40. So I feel that with these boots, I will be fine. Great, so let's move on. Next thing is in this bag. I don't really know what it is, so that's why I'm opening it for you and with you. Okay, I see. This is some trousers that I have bought, but the bad thing that I'm seeing right now is that this is kinda see-through. And I'm not feeling very happy about that. But I don't know. Can you see my hand? I don't know how I feel about that, but anyway, if it is for a concept, I feel that we will find a way to work with that. Not super happy though, not super happy with that. Next thing, we have this thing right here. I guess that's what my boyfriend ordered because it's office stuff. So I feel that it's his. Yeah, it's his, like I don't buy these things. But yeah, if you're interested, that's how it looks inside. If you like to keep, you know, archive or stuff like that, this might be good. So this belongs to this side of the studio, which is my boyfriend's side. So okay, I don't have to say a lot about that. Congratulations him for his choice, and this goes there now. Next thing, and I feel that this is also for my boyfriend, that's a clipboard, or I think that they have a special name. Boyfriend, write the special name around here for people to know.
Clipboard.
But it's so cool, like it's so cool. Although that I'm not very interested in office stuff, this is actually cool, and I'm kind of jealous. I might exchange mine with this one, we will see. Maybe I shouldn't have told that here, because he's the editor. Anyway, we will find a way, okay? Let's move on. Next thing is that necklace, or I don't know how can I describe it. It's that thing, and I don't know how to open it. That's the problem. Ah, okay. So here we are. That's a very cute pumpkin for Halloween. Can you see it? Can you see it? So cute. Anyway, I'm gonna wear it right now because I literally loved it. It's so nice, and it doesn't look very, very cheap. Like, yeah, it's good. It's so good. Hey people, what do you think about my cutie here? Isn't it great? Write down in the comments that you like it, please. I loved it, literally. Anyway, let's move on to a spider web that we have bought for the studio. I'm gonna open it right now. Ah, it's so good. Oh, and it has spiders on it. Cool. Look, it's like that, cottonish, I would say. It's so cool. It's so nice, and I remember that this wasn't expensive at all. Like, I think, that we have spent around 2.5 euros to 3 euros, something like that. Like, it's so cool. Like, new studio, we are coming, and it's gonna be amazing. Yeah, and this is also kind of a spoiler for the Halloween things that they're coming. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside, and I will continue with the rest. Okay, this is kind of difficult to put aside because it gets stuck to everything, but yeah, I did it. Next, we have some unicorn stickers. Guess who chose those stickers? Yes, I chose those stickers, people. Yes, don't judge. I love unicorns, okay? And cats and unicorns. I don't know what I love more. I think both of them. Okay, I'm trying to open it as I'm talking in order to show them to you, but it's pretty much impossible. Why is it so difficult to open just stickers? These are supposed to be for kids. Ah, okay, fine. Ah, look at them! They're so nice. And actually, they have multiple designs and patterns. So yeah, that's so cute. Okay, so here we have this one. And then this one, which is different, and then this one, which is also different, and this one. Oh my god, I have so many ideas about these stickers. Like, from my laptop to my new cell phone. I don't know, I just want to put them everywhere. Oh, they're so nice. And I like the messages that they have, like happy day or, you know, optimistic messages. That I love them. The next thing that we have is another cloth for the studio, but it's kind of huge and I don't really want to unfold it, so let's try to see it as it is. It's black and very nice. I might use it as curtains or stuff like that, but it's so good. I don't know if I need to wash it before I just hang it on the walls. I don't know, but I feel that it's good. Yeah, like, until now, I'm very happy with what I have taken from Shein. Of course, the trousers, it wasn't the best quality ever existed, but for the money, yeah, worth it, definitely. Next, we have maybe the favorite product of this order, which is a crown for me. I think that you have already seen my other crown, which is silver with, I don't know, the fake diamonds on it. This is gold with black diamonds. Of course, they're not diamonds, but you know, oh my god, that's so amazing. Like, I can imagine 1,000 makeup concepts to use it. It's so cool. It's so cool. Like, Shein or whatever the name is the best for me about this kind of stuff, like crowns or accessories or, you know, things that you don't wanna actually wear too much, but yeah, I'm super happy. Next, we have again one of those fabrics that you have already seen. I don't have to tell a lot, but this time this is in pink. That's it for that, and let's go to more interesting stuff. Next, we have probably the cutest earrings ever existed. Look at them. Look, here we have a ghost, and then we have a tiny pumpkin. Oh my god, look at them. They are so cute. I love them. Look. Oh, can't wait to wear them, really, people. I'm so excited right now. And talking about cute things, here we have a ghost pin. Oh, look, and I imagine how nice it's gonna be if I'm gonna use this ghost right here with this pin right here. Like, look at them. Oh, like, I'm in love, literally. I can wear these and go out and do my stuff and be very, very happy in these. Love them, really love them. And from cute things, let's go to something actually darker, and that's a very nice pendant, jewelry for the neck, I guess. And it's so nice and goth, and if you look at the detail with the bud right here, I'm gonna bring it closer and closer. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's amazing. I don't know, like, probably it's not the best quality, but I mean, look at it. I don't know, I'm super excited. Like, I'm waiting for Halloween so much. I have so many concepts in my mind that I want to use all the jewelry that I have taken and, you know, create combinations, create makeup based on these, and yeah, I'm just excited, you know, people. I think that you can see. Okay, next thing. This is a case for contact lenses, and if I try to open it, yep, you will see the actual case, a bottle to add the contact lens liquid, I don't know the name, and some tools to use with the contact lenses. To me, it's extremely difficult to use these tools. So I'm just keeping the case and I'm be very happy because it's a sunny day, you know. Very nice color, like this pink is my color. And I should have taken more, to be honest, because I'm waiting some PR boxes with contact lenses and I'm super excited, and I only got this one. Bad idea, but anyway, it's very nice. And last but not least, we have this unicorn pen. Look at it, it's so cute. And it has, I think, around 10 different colors that you can use, and it's so good. Like, I want to try to write with that. Yeah, oh, it has colors, like, and it has colors like purple or brown or pink or light blue. You know, I'm super excited to use that. It's one of my favorite pens, and I have a collection with unicorn pens. I think I have around 3 to 4 or something like that. Yep, but let's conclude. All in all, I'm very, very happy with what I received from Shein. Of course, we are not talking about the best quality when it comes to clothes and shoes and stuff like that, but they have a lot of fun stuff, and if you want my opinion, it deserves the money. Because you can find some cool stuff in very cheap prices, which I really appreciate, especially if you're doing the thing that I'm doing, which I need accessories or a lot of different clothes for concepts and ideas, then it's ideal for you. The bad thing is that you can spend a lot of money if you're not careful. But all in all, it gives you a very nice experience. The things that I have bought things from Shein many times. They're always on time. They said 20 to 24th of September. Today is 24th of September and I got every product. They are great. I totally recommend it. Just keep in mind that if you are buying clothes, you are not buying the best quality. Beyond that, yeah, it's great. Hello, Antigoni from the future there. And again, I realized that I messed a little bit with the word of the day because I have recorded the sound clip but not the camera clip. Oops. Anyway, so for today, I would like to tell you the word for, can you guess what? Can you guess? Yeah, correct. Pumpkin. So, in Greek, we say kolokitha. Ko-lo-ki-tha. Kolokitha. Say it with me. Kolokitha. So, as always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write comments down below using the word kolokitha. It's Halloween! I want to see extra creativity! And that's it for today. So thank you so much for being here with me and watched my unboxing. I hope that you're as excited as I am to see me using them actually and see the projects that I have prepared for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Halloween content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Catlady Antigoni, it's gonna be down here as always. Don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up and of course the bell for notifications, it's here. Yeah, again, thank you so much for being here with me today and until next time, bye bye.